Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram on your PC. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I'm on my Chrome browser right here. On the search feed, I'm going to type in Chrome Web Store. And then after searching for Chrome Web Store, you click on the first link right there, chrome.google.com. And then on the left hand side of the screen, you see a search bar. So on the search bar, we're going to type in web for Instagram. And then you click on the enter button. And then you see this first one right here. You click on it, the one that says web for Instagram with direct. And then you click on the add to Chrome button right here. And then you click on add extension. So immediately you are done adding the extension, you wait for this window to come up that says welcome, thank you for installing our Chrome extension. Then you hover your mouse to this puzzle looking button right here, and then you click on web for Instagram with direct. That's the extension right there, so you're going to click on it. So that's it right there. That's how to install or download Instagram on your PC. So it's just like your mobile Instagram. I mean, the Instagram on your mobile phone. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also hit on that bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.